Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the rotor. So let us see the parts required. We need 2 small L bar, 2 small C bar, 2 small bar, 1 metal shaft, 4 tiny L bar, 2 shaft locker, 1 motor and the remote box. So let us do the assembly now. So first of all we will take a small C bar and a small L bar. We will attach the small L bar to the C bar in this way. We will leave the first 2 holes of the C bar and then we will attach the small L bar, and to fix it we will use nut and bolts. So insert the bolts to the holes of the L bar. And fix it using nuts. Similarly, we have connected another small L bar to the small C bar and fix them with the help of nut and bolts. So now we will take a shaft locker and attach the 2 tiny L bars to the shaft locker. So for that, first we will place the tiny L bar in this way, insert the bolt through the hole and fix it using the nut. Similarly, take one more, insert the bolt and fix it using the nut. Similarly, we have taken one more shaft locker and attached 2 more tiny L bars on this shaft locker. Now we will take 2 small bars and attach it to this shaft lockers. So take the small bar, place it in this way and fix it using nut and bolt. Insert the bolt through the first hole of the small bar and fix it using the nut. Similarly, attach the other end of the small bar to the shaft locker. Insert the bolt and then fix it using the nut. So this is done. Now similarly connect this small bar to the shaft locker in this way. So after connecting both the small bar, our structure looks like this. Now we will take a motor and attach it to the small L bar on the right hand side. So we will first remove the screws of the motors. And insert the shaft of the motor to the first hole of the small L bar in this way, and then fix the motor using the screws. Now we will take a metal shaft, 2 spacers and an axle lock. So insert 2 spacers through the metal shaft and then insert it to the other small L bar. Insert the metal shaft through the first hole of the small L bar in this way. The shaft of the motor and the metal shaft should be at the same level, and then fix the other end of the metal shaft with the help of an axle lock. Now we will fix this part with the small L bars. So first of all, we will take two spacers and insert it through the motor shaft, and then insert the shaft locker through the motor shaft in this way. Similarly, we will insert the other side of the shaft locker through the metal shaft. So once you have inserted, fix the shaft locker with the help of an axle lock on both the sides. Insert the axle lock on each side and fix it with the help of the screwdriver. To tighten the screws, use the spanners to hold it and then tighten it with the help of the screwdrivers. The assembly of the rotor is completed, and now we will check the output. Now we will show you the output of the rotor. As you can see, the motor is connected to the remote box cable, and as I will press the button, the bot will start rotating. Clockwise and counterclockwise. Thank you.